Road guard. Elephant mother elephants often walk on the traffic side, shielding the calf from danger. Trunk guide. She gently touches the baby with her trunk to guide every step. Memory map. Elephants remember safe paths and crossings for years while traveling with calves, using her 5-ton body as a living barrier to protect the calf. Using their bodies as shields to protect calves, babies learn road safety by mimicking moms. If mom stops and listens, baby does too. Moms can communicate danger via ground vibrations, warning calves of vehicles from miles away.